Hello, my name is Sebastian, and this is my code for assignment 6. So starting up here, I've got a generic array list of alert for storage and a scanner for input. I have my main right here, which is a while loop with a command menu. Has add, view, sort, shuffle, extremes, and done. And it keeps going until you type done. And then I have sort and shuffle, which happen right here in line using collections.sort and collections.shuffle. Moving down here, there's probably the part I put the most work into, which is the error handling. If the threat level input is an actual number, that blows up with an input mismatch exception. So I've got that wrapped up so it clears the scanner and kicks back to the main menu instead of just the whole thing crashing. And even if it is a valid number, it still has to check if it's between 1 and 10. And if it's not, I have my own custom exception right here, which kicks in, and the alert just gets discarded instead of just added to the list. Right here, I have view alerts. That just loops through and prints everything out, or tells you there's nothing if the list is empty. Find extremes, which uses collections.min and collections.max to pull the lowest and highest thread alerts from the list. Have save to file, which writes the whole list out to a thread underscore logs.txt using a print writer, and that's set up so if the file write fails for whatever reason, it just prints an error instead of just crashing. Down here I have my alert class. The fields are private with getters, and it's set up as a comparable with compare to based on the threat level, and that's what sort and extremes up there are actually running off of. All right, now we're gonna run the test cases. Let's start here. We're gonna add fw01. It's gonna be firewall block threat level 4. We're gonna add mal 99 description ransomware threat level 10. We're gonna add authorization 02 description failed login threat level 2, and then we can view them all. We can sort them by threat level, and then we can view them again. Then if we type done, exporting data to text file, export successful, system shut down. I'm gonna go ahead and run it again. I'm gonna add 01 again. It's gonna be firewall block threat level 4. Then we're gonna add another one. It's gonna be mal 99 description ransomware threat level 10. Added successfully. We're gonna add then auth -02. It's gonna be failed login again. And then we're gonna do threat level 2. Another added successfully. And we can do extremes. We can do shuffle. And then we can view. And typing done shuts it down. Run it one last time. And we're gonna add, what is it? DDoS 01. For the description, we're gonna put traffic spike. And then if we try putting anything that's not a valid number, such as high, it throws an error. Then we can add another one. It's gonna be test 00. Description, valid test. And if we try, even if it is a number, if it's not between 1 and 10, so 13, it throws another error. And then we can view, doesn't add it, and then we can shut it down.